Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing how I made this delicious native pomo, also known as pomo agwarago. It's a traditional Nigerian recipe that is full of flavor and it will leave a taste bud longing for more. First, I went ahead to clean up the pomo using a knife. This is actually a very important step you shouldn't omit. You can choose to clean up yours using a soft sponge. After cleaning the pomo, I went ahead to rinse it using a clean water and salt, after which I cut them into small bite size. I further transferred it into the pot, after which I seasoned it up using little salt and seasoning powder. Then mix everything together and allow it to cook till tender. While the pomo was cooking, I went ahead to transfer about half cup of water into the potash I'll be using. This is just to dissolve it. And after about 15 minutes, I checked on the pomo and I realized it's fully cooked. I then turned off the heat and removed it using a slotted spoon. Remember the potash that I soaked earlier on? I checked on it and I realized that part of it has melted already. I then removed the big chunk, and this potash water is what I'll be using for this recipe. So guys, to make the native pomo, I went ahead to transfer some palm oil into my pan. There's actually no heat applied to my pan. I went further to sieve the potash water into the oil, then mix everything together. I want to use this opportunity to appreciate our amazing subscribers so far, as we've reached a milestone of 1000 subscribers. I said thank you very much, and just in case you haven't subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Please kindly click the subscribe button down below and turn on the bell notification so you can be part of this amazing family. So guys, here is a little twist about mixing potash water and palm oil. You need to be patient while you are mixing. I need to keep mixing until the oil thickens and turns bright orange, just like this. Next, I went ahead to season up everything using some dried chili pepper, some grounded ehuru, that's the African nutmeg, some black pepper for more heat, lots of grounded crayfish, and a sprinkle of salt to taste. I also added African oil bean seed, also known as Ukpaka or uba. Then mix everything together just so the ingredients can be evenly distributed in the oil. Finally, I then transferred the cooked cow skin, then mix everything together. Just tell me why you shouldn't be salivating at this moment. And that's it for our native pomo recipe. I went further to serve mine in a plate and I garnished it with onion ring and otazi leaf. Thank you very much guys for watching. Please kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Like, share and leave me a comment in the comment section. Until I come your way next time, do remember to always eat healthy and stay healthy. Bye bye.